So if you've ever thought about doing a 5-year journal and you've been a little overwhelmed, I'm going to review the Clever Fox version of their 5-year journal and see if maybe this one would fit your needs. This is a very basic, no frills, like it's just a 5-year journal, so it you don't have a lot of extra things happening to confuse you. I really like this one because of that. It does come with a pen loop, so you can always have your pen handy. It does have your elastic band to go around it, which is nice to help keep it closed if you've got extra stuff inside. You've got your ribbon bookmark. This does come in a bunch of different colors, so if this is not the color you want, it does come in some other colors. It's got a faux pebbled leather type cover, and with all Clever Fox. They've got the little fox emblem on it. So let's take a look on the inside. So here we go. I'm going to tilt you down a little bit. All right, ignore my sketchbook. All right, so inside the front cover here, we've got, this has just your name and information here like this. And then you immediately start on January 1st. So these are not dated. I mean, they have the January and then the 1st, but you don't have, the years are not pre-filled in. So you can get this and give it as a gift. It makes a great gift for like graduation, newlyweds, new parents. It's a wonderful gift idea. So people can start it whenever, and you can kind of even start these mid-year if you want to do, and then just kind of fill in the back half of the year going through. Anyway, I love that it doesn't have the years in there. So if you decide you're not ready to start, you don't have to, and you can go back. So it doesn't get wasted. But yeah, it just has all the months. And yes, it does have February 29th for when you do have a leap year, which is nice. Let's see if I can find it real quick. Yeah, there you go. February 29th. You have a total of 6 lines for each day. So you get to have, it's enough writing space, but not too overwhelming. So you can take your time and think about what you want to put in for each day, but you don't have to fill in a ton. And you know what? If you don't get to it each day, that's okay too. No one says you have to write every day. We're going to give some of these as gifts to our nieces and nephews and maybe a couple other family members because we're also starting them for ourselves this year. And then in the back, there's a pocket with some stickers. So you can also get as many other stickers as you want and add these in, but it comes with just a couple of little things like, you know, happy birthday stickers, some sayings, and then just some fun shapes. So if you're thinking about getting a 5-year journal and you kind of wanted to know what the Clever Fox looked like, this is a kind of a brief overview. The pocket's nice. It's got fabric here on the side. It's not just paper. It's a good chunky one. And the paper is pretty much your standard like journal paper. It's not the really thin like planner paper that's out there for a lot of these. So this is gonna be your thicker paper. And this color is the deep sea color, if you're wondering what the color is. So yeah, I hope that if you were looking for a 1 line a day 5-year journal, that this review has helped you.